Hey guys, Engineer Pep 5290 coming to you with just a little update of what's been going on. I know I haven't posted any videos recently. I've just been getting a lot of videos together, so that's why you haven't heard from me so much. But I do have one video that is ready to be uploaded. I just haven't had time to get up yet, and that is February action at North Collier. Uh, that was actually a very nice trip. Actually, had got a lot of really cool footage. So that one has been saved. The only thing I do is just get it up. I just haven't determined what date and time I will be premiering that. February Alone Tidewater, that is still in the process of being worked on. I haven't seen too much just because it's just been a lot of crazy weather where I'm at, and it's limited my time of actually getting some trains on video. So I do apologize about that, but I'm working constantly on trying to recover from that and see what else is out there that I can try to get. Another thing is too, the February Q&A prompt is still well underway. You have until the 26th to answer to get your questions posted, but actually I have now extended that deadline until the 27th. So it's now 2/27 is the last day to submit any questions. I will extend that one more day. So if you haven't submitted your questions now, you still have a good amount of time left. So I'll give you all until February the 27th, 11 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time to go ahead and get your questions out there onto that Q&A prompt and post it. I will advise you this. Please listen to the entire prompt before asking questions because there might be a rule change. I know some people like to post questions as soon as the video comes. I mean, some people are just in that rhythm, and I get that. But just bear in mind the fact there may be a new rule change. So you just need to stop and listen to the video before you ask your questions. So that's all the updates right now. That's all I really know at this point. So new videos are going to be continuing to come out here before too long. And I will also leave the Q&A on the end screen as well, where you can just click that video and you guys can go ahead and take a look at it for your enjoyment. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little update, and I will see you guys on the next real adventure. Peace out, and may God bless.